Hello everybody. We have today fuel injection roller body. It's for Cadillac CTS and it's the same for Buick Lacrosse. This is mine. I think this one is defect. I am not sure, but I already bought a used one from replacement parts. This one is for Buick Lacrosse, and they are the same. As you can see, the same connector, the same lock, everything the same. I checked it in the internet. So why I think that this one is not working, I already opened here from here, and I see that it's working from here when you open it. So I see that there is here a resistor. In fact, it's two resistors. One the down one and one is the upper one. And what they work, it's when this move, the resistor it go less, and when it's closed is the maximum. And I figure out that this pins, it have 6 pins, as you see here. The first two is for the motor to open here for more airflow, and so this A and B is for the motor, C and D and is for the first resistor, and E and F is for the second one. And here it's the same. So let's check it out if it's really bad one or good one. For this thing we need this machine, and we need to write some data. So I will start to connect for, and you have to put it in ohm, in 20 ohm. You have to put it in C and D. And now we have 1.42 kilo ohm. So I will write C and D 1.42, and we try to open it until the end. You can see here it's changing, going down, and it stopped in 1 kilo ohm. So it's between 1.42 kilo ohm until 1 kilo ohm. So we move to the next one. It's E and F. We connect and we check also how much capacity we have. So here we have 2.1 here, and when we open it, it's 1.19. Sorry. So between 2.10 until 1.19 kilo ohm. This one is the pins E and F. E and F. So that's the old one, that's the new one. So let's check the new one. This one I bought it from a car that had accident, and the car was working in good condition. It's Buick Lacrosse 2010 with around 70 miles. Let's see. I will start connected with the C and D pins. So C and D is giving me 3,3. Sorry. 3,3. We already have big difference. So C and D 3,3. And when we open it, we have 2,14. 2.14. 4 kilo ohm. And let's check E and F now. So 3,3 and when we open it 2,14 point. So E and F again. Let's close it. And E and F now it's giving me 1.36. No, I think I made a mistake. Let's put something between them so it will not have connection. So it gives me 2.2. 2.22. You can see it here. Yeah, you see the screen upside down. So it's 2.22. And when you open it, it's 1.18. 1.18. So as I saw the difference between closed and open between each resistor, it's when it's closed and open it's 1 kilo ohm, and I see that the difference between C and D and E and F is always almost also 1 kilo ohm, and mine is not giving this data always. It's sometimes good, sometimes not good. As you saw, the C and D, it gives 1, the C and D it gave me 1.42 until 1 kilo ohm, and the new one gave me between 3.3 until 2.14. So it's big difference. That's why mine is not working. It gave me info problem, engine power reduce and things like this, and the car don't want to drive. So if you had this problem, I will add some pictures for the problem that I had. So maybe it will help you to solve your problem. I will give you the picture of the data that I got from the old one and the new one. And let's see. I will install the new one for my car and let's see if it's working. See you guys in 10 minutes. So I was right about what I said. I installed the one that I bought from replacement parts, and the car works just perfect now. I have no errors here, no engine power reduce, no ESP, nothing, and you can hear the motor sound, the engine sound is perfect as it was. So thank you, I hope I helped somebody, and ciao.